Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. H.K. Yao. Uh, I'm going to present. I'm going to present my paper. I'm going to present my paper. Uh, the paper title is "A Student Intention of Using Mobile Learning for Higher Education in Hong Kong." There's a free offer. I'm Dr. H.K. Yao. Okay, this is the agenda: introduction, literature review, research, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion and recommendation. Introduction. What is mobile learning? This is using the mobile for the learning at the intersection of mobile computing and e-learning. Accessible resource wherever you are. Strong search capability, rich interaction, powerful support for effective learning and performance-based assessment. So how about the existing mobile learning technology in university, such as hardware, iPod, PDA, smartphone, laptop, software, SMS, MMS, and micro browser, internet, email, cloud computing, Coursera application, even Zoom. Zoom is also very important. So characteristic of mobile learning. Enhancing our ability and accessible of information level, engage students in learning-related activity in diverse physical locations, supporting of a project-based group work, improving of communication and cooperative learning in the classroom, enable quick content delivery. So what is the benefit? The benefit is a relative intensity mobile learning opportunity, okay, continuous and situation learning support. But for the challenge, how about the security and the copyright issue, distraction risk? In this study, to try to evaluate the Hong Kong student intention of using mobile learning for higher education. The objective, try to find out significant factors that influence our student intention towards mobile learning in higher education, evaluate student realities, perception and adoption against using learning. Project scope mainly focus on the higher education student. Significant, actually, we can consult this research for design university course and related education tools, enhance and improve currently existing education technology. Literature review, there's so many, for example, SCT, social correlation theory. And then there's a TAM, technology acceptance model. TPB, theory of planned behavior. And then try to integrate them together, okay? And then the research, this is my research model. There's an 11 hypothesis. Okay, this is some definition, okay? PE, EE, SM, SE, and PC. I don't want to mention too much here. The peer study, there's so many peer study, okay? Hypothesis. The first one, student performance expectancy related to their attitude toward mobile learning. Student performance expectancy, their behavior, intention, or identity mobile learning. There's 11 hypothesis, okay? 11 hypothesis. Research methodology use the questionnaire survey. Okay. About 53 questions in the questionnaire model. Okay. 7 questions are general information, 5 questions about mobile learning, 41 questions about the student perception toward the mobile learning. So there's we distribute 200 questionnaire and return 169 set of questionnaire. The response rate is more than 80%. Okay, but only 151 can get the valid information. That means the rate of usable was 89%. So data preparation using the questionnaire, a factor analysis. This is the factor analysis. If it is greater than 0.3, that means this is acceptable, this value. Reliability. Normally, the reliability is more than 0.7. So all the construct are acceptable. A result, gender and female, 47%, male, 55%. For the age, normally this is for the higher education, so normally until 27. Mainly it is come from city university, okay? More than half of them is using mobile device to assist study for 4 to 6 years. And more than half of them, 57%, spend 1 or 2 to 3 hours per day on mobile, device for educational purpose. This is the abstract, the mean value of the performance expected effort, subjective norm, self-efficiency, facility cognition, attitude toward behavior intention. So discussion. The results show all that the perception toward mobile learning are positive. So actually, the value of significance is greater than 0.05. Okay, no significant difference between male and female. Okay, so actually, female and male can use the mobile learning. And then Pearson correlation is greater than 0.5. That means they have a significant and positive influence between AB and BI. So majority of our interview students are familiar with mobile learning. Okay, all of them have excellent experience of using mobile learning. They do not want to lose potential when compared to the peer who involved in mobile learning actively. They have enough knowledge and resources to utilize mobile learning. So the second one, AB, is positively related to BI, the first one. So the conclusion, all the hypotheses are supported due to high Pearson correlation value. So this is summary. Students have a positive perception toward mobile learning, and the intention in the mobile learning is very good, very high. There's a low significant difference between male and female. That means male and female can use the mobile learning very well. The relationship between factor A and B and between factor of a BI are all significant and positive. Implication. Considering a personal factor, the university are subject to provide more opportunity for encouraging students to involve in the mobile learning. And social factor, the university are recommend to promote and powerize more on adapting and mobile learning. Consider environmental factor and provide more resources and technical help for the student if they have to conduct mobile learning. Limitation, I think the sample size is too small, only 151, okay? And the sample size is not very even because the age group are quite different, okay? Opportunity, try to enlarge the sample size and carry on more investigation in social factor and environmental factor. Investigation on the relationship between external factor, age, study mode, past experience, etc. Okay, any questions? Thank you very much.